of combustion-powered C3s, the French automaker is moving to absolutely no discharges with the launch of the 2024 EC3 on the European market, where it will certainly take place sale with a starting rate of around $24,500, €23,300. A lot more budget-friendly entry-level design is anticipated in 2025 when it could turn into one of the most inexpensive EVs on the old continent. Much more on that later, but first, let's see what this new Super Mini brings to the table. Based upon Stellantis smart car platform, the model shows up with a totally new style language contrasted to its predecessor. What was a traditional tiny hatchback prior to has currently progressed into a more crossover-like maker with wheels placed as far to the edges as possible. Integrated with the high roofing line, this creates a substantially roomier cabin, with Citroen claiming that passengers now enjoy 1.18 inches of added clearance and 0.8 inches of added knee area. The freight location behind the back seats has actually expanded slightly from 10.59 cubic feet to 10.94 cubic feet. The most vital changes are below the skin, however. The combustion engines of the old model are now replaced by a simply electric powertrain. The 2024 EC3 uses a 44 kWh lithium ferro phosphate (LFP) battery for a series of as much as 199 miles, 320 kilometers, in between two coasts gauged by the WLTP cycle. Power originates from a 113 horsepower electric motor placed on the front axle, sufficient for a 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour sprint in around 11 seconds. Charging the battery from 20 to 80% on a 7 kilowatt battery charger takes around 4 hours. Most likely to a DC quickly billing terminal, and the 100 kilowatt CCS port ought to lower the time to less than 30 minutes. Citroen will market the new EC3 in two trim degrees U and Max, with the base version including LED front lights, an emergency braking system, a head-up display, power side mirrors, back parking sensors, and cruise control.